Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Italian macaroni salad. Start by cooking pasta until al dente, then rinse under cold water and drain well. While pasta cools, whisk together mayonnaise, red wine vinegar, olive oil, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. Chop vegetables and proteins, then fold them into the cooled pasta with the dressing. Chill the salad for at least 1 hour so flavors marry and the texture. Gather your ingredients and prep them efficiently for a smooth assembly. Dice bell peppers, celery, red onion, and pickles into consistent pieces so every forkful is balanced. Cube ham or salami, or toss in chickpeas for a vegetarian boost. Keep a small amount of pasta water in case the dressing needs thinning, and taste as you go so seasoning stays balanced and the salad remains vibrant and fresh. When it is time to combine, fold components gently so pasta stays intact and the dressing coats evenly. Add the dressing gradually and taste between additions, adjusting with salt, pepper, or a bit more vinegar for brightness. For best results, cover and chill the salad for at least 1 hour to let flavors meld and textures set. Serve cold, garnish with fresh herbs, and enjoy a crowd-pleasing side dish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.